Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum salam.
I'm Fuad. I'm 10 years old. My question is, I was excited attend many people get into Islam. I and feeling in peace. What is your message to all kids in the world?
Great one, man.
Assalamu alaikum. I think you already got a good message just then. But sometimes the question has the answer already in it, and I think you did a good job. So I'm just going to ask you, you're 10 years old, am I right? Hello?
10 years old.
10, yeah?
Yes.
Did you used to be 9? Or did you used to be...
No.
Did you... You're ruining a wonderful joke here. Listen, did you used to be 9 years old?
Yes.
And before that you were 8 years old?
Yes.
And before that you were 7?
Yes.
Wallahi, be careful. The same thing happened to me. You might turn 11, who knows? Your question really is beautiful. Our youth, brothers and sisters, ladies and gentlemen, and all of our guests that are here tonight, our youth are our future. Whether you're a Jew, a Christian, a Hindu, a Buddhist, or a Muslim, realize this. Our real enemy, our worst enemy, is always within. And unless we strive to find peace within ourselves, how will we ever recognize the peace that is around us in this world? So let us work for peace for the sake of the future of our children. Thank you.
Thank you.
MashaAllah. Hopefully, inshallah, this small sheikh will be up here in a few years' time at this peace convention
Ameen.
addressing us. Ameen.
Ameen.
That's what we need. Yeah?
I'm with you.
Yeah, good.